this door wasn't closing right. Now it fits tight.
Yeah.
If you look in here, I built a new striker or a holding plate, eh?
Yeah.
And new hinges. And this door wasn't closing properly on account of whoever put this plywood in didn't realize it's sticking over too far.
Okay.
And hitting on the frame here.
Okay.
So now it fits good all the way around.
Okay.
And then next is
Got the
we mounted the rad cooler and the hoses
okay.
for the transmission.
And
For the transmission cooler, I should say.
the back plate here too.
And then this was Mickey Mouse on here, so I fixed it so this works good. This door closes and opens tightly so that the fan doesn't pull it shut.
Okay.
And I have to put washers in behind this handle so that it's tight.
Okay. What do we got going on inside?
And on the inside, Friday I'm supposed to get the drive shaft back with the rotor, and then I can install the brake.
Okay, so that's being machined then?
Yeah, it's been machined at the machine shop.
Okay.
And this is the hookup for the hoses here for the transmission.
Okay.
Next is going to be the exhaust pipes, which I've rebuilt.
Okay.
Stems were too short. And this is how it goes on. That spring goes over here,
Okay.
and this cover, and that's what keeps the exhaust. The pipe has to move a bit. And
Yeah.
that's the idea of that spring and this plate.
Okay.
It was so short here that it wouldn't go outside the tunnel on
What
the side.
happens if it's too tight or it doesn't move?
Well, then you're gonna ruin the bolts or something because the motor mounts are moving a little bit,
Yeah.
and this is actually floating through the side. You
Okay.
see the give it's got?
Yeah.
That's to make up for the torque on the engine.
Okay. Okay, so lots more done today then, and Friday you're expecting the drive shaft. So what happens when you get that drive shaft? Do you?
Then I put the drive shaft in and the brake,
Yeah.
the caliper rotor brake, and then the budget hasn't fit the dream yet, so we're going to see what happens for some kind of a progress.
Okay. But looking better and better every day. Like, subscribe, comment. Dad loves the comments. Anything you want to add to your viewership that you want to say,
We're going
Dad?
to install the new back bumper now because it's all ready. It's over here.
Yeah.
The 5/8 bolts. It's got the receiver and everything.
Okay.
And then we're going to make a front bumper here with a solid plate and a D-ring in case they want to pull something, or if they want to pull the machine, you just hook on here.
Okay.
But that'll be a future
Project.
future picture.
Okay. After this job, Dad said he's going to do a cleanup of the shop here. We've just had so many jobs come in one after the other that we haven't had a chance to do a cleanup, so we got to do a massive cleanup. And
I'm going to lay out all the excess parts I have, like tracks and belts and
Yeah.
you name it. I'll lay it all out in the shop, and we'll take pictures of it in case somebody is looking for parts.
okay, there you go. So anybody that's watching, just know that we've got excess parts available, and we will be putting them online here for everybody to look at.